round of applause for the Parade of the Animal Ambassadors. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi! Alam mo ka walang energy, ah. Hello! Hi! Ay, one more pala, be. Hello! Ayun, mabuhay. Malayaw po. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Quick Boy, and I am your animal. O grabe, oh. Pamilyar ba mukha ko, guys? May kamukha ba ko dyan sa likod? Joke lang kayo, sige po. My name is Kuya Boy, and this is your Keeper Talk now. And some background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005. And we are in coordination with the DNR, DOT, and BAI. Now as a way of saying thank you for being with us in this prolific afternoon, we brought you a show where you will meet our animal ambassadors and to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna. So una po, sa mga nakatayo po, upo lang po tayo. And guys, do not attempt to catch your animals while the show is ongoing po. Second, to those who are eating, I'm so sorry. Kindly finish it up or finish it later after the show. And lastly, to those who take photos or videos with our animals, bawal po ang camera.